So children, welcome to another lecture of physics. And I think so in the previous class we had talked about what is matter, states of matter, all these things we had done, a lot of things we had done. And I have told you about how you can really correlate that particular state of matter is having space, all the properties. I had told those all things in a nutshell. Now I will take up this investigation 1.1. See, in every investigation, certain new things will be introduced, and all those things like some new terms will be there. And only what I expect of you is whatever new terms are there introduced in an investigation. Since you are studying physics separately now for the first time, so I'll expect from you that you write all those things, whatever I'll ask you to write in a video. Okay, so watch that video and write that also. Let's see here in this particular investigation 1.1, we have got the term weight. That means you might be knowing about this, but still I'll write this definition on the board and you write what is weight. Then another thing is instrument that you use here is this spring balance. I'll tell you about what is spring balance in a nutshell, in a short form only, so that if it is used, if it comes if you are introduced to that term or instrument again, you are able to know about it and you will have a ample knowledge about it. Clear? Then see what? Then there is what all materials are required in this investigation: a thread, a old plastic bottle, and sugar. Clear? Now see what? We are taking an old plastic bottle in this experiment, and then what are we doing? We are cutting it. So like you are having a bottle like this. You are having Pepsi bottles. Okay. So how you will take something instrument and cut it from here, right? Once you cut, the cutout comes like this, and then put some holes here, and then make an arrangement like this, and make a knot so that it can be fixed. Are you getting it? So that way you take a plastic bottle and then you will just try to do what? You will make a beaker from it. That means you are cutting that plastic bottle and using the knife or some sharp blade, you can cut that, and this is the final thing that you are getting. So this is your plastic bottle. Plastic bottle, that all you have to cut. And see, you have to make a suspension loop. So after cutting the bottle, you put some holes here in the bottle and pass on through the threads. That thread, you are having a thread. You pass the thread and make a suspension loop. That means just like you are having your some bag or box, like you can carry them, right? It is worth carrying. So if you can carry that, you can make. And then what? This suspension hook one you will put on the spring balance. Clear? Now see what you have to do then. Then you will take this empty beaker and put it on the spring balance. Then what you will see? Okay. So once you have made the suspension loop, you will put there. Now see, I have using a black one I have done, but I have written pointer reading. This is the current pointer reading when there is empty beaker here. And then there is another reading when there is sugar put in this beaker. So first of all, you will cut this plastic bottle and make a beaker, and then put into the threads there in the holes. You will create those holes and then make a suspension loop. After making that suspension loop, put that beaker on the hook of this is the hook. This is the hook here. So that hook only, and this also has to be, you can either tie it you can take a nail on the wall, or you can just hold it by your hand only. Okay, it has shown the figure by the hand only. Okay, so first of all thing what you will do is First take this empty beaker and measure it. Now when you take the empty beaker, you will find that negligible weight or almost no, the pointer is not at all moving only. Unless it's a very sensitive pointer, almost no, very little bit movement, very little bit. Means reading is almost negligible. That means initially the pointer was at 0 mark, so now it has moved between 0 and 1. Means very first reading difference. Can you see? Readings are here na? So from here it has moved here. One division. So one division only movement is there. That means almost negligible weight, though bottle might have some weight. So that means it is not 0, but some weight is there. See, I am continuously using the term weight. I will explain and I will write also on the board what is weight. Then when you put sugar into this beaker, then you see that the pointer moves still. That means there is, we can say, marked. That means the pointer moves and this movement is not small. It is a good movement. That means you can say the pointer moves on the scale of the spring balance in a proper distance. It moves. So that what happens then? Now this movement is not very small movement, so it is a good. That means what? Some good reading it is showing. That means there is comparatively more weight. Means compared to the empty beaker where the pointer had moved very small division, one division only. Here there is some weight we can see on the weight worth seeing on the spring balance. That means with the empty beaker, very small movement, very little movement, but here the movement of the pointer of the spring balance is quite much. When we are putting sugar into that, like what does it show? Now when you are saying here empty beaker, do you really feel that the beaker is empty? No, children. The beaker is not empty. What is put into that? When nothing is there, obviously air is there. That means weight of the air was almost negligible. In fact, air was not weight, had the weight only. The weight of the bottle only was there. Negligible weight of air. So thus, what are we concluding? Can you say sugar is solid? Yes, it is. Sugar is solid. That means the weight of the solid is more than the weight of the liquids. Thus, from this investigation, we conclude that solids and liquids have, okay. Now we will do one more thing. After that, you will take another, and after sugar you put, then what? Later you put, remove sugar and then put what? Milk. So then what? If I am saying W of or weight which are shown when the empty beaker, and then weight which is shown the weight shown with what? Milk or water, and weight shown with sugar. So the maximum weight will be seen in case of what? Sugar only. So children, when we are repeating the experiment, we are seeing that the weight with the milk, that means once the empty was there, then you have put sugar and then remove sugar and put there milk. You will see that the weight which you are reading, which you are getting, the weight of milk will be more than the empty beaker, and weight of sugar will be more than the weight of milk. That means empty beaker means what? Air. That means you can say the weight of solid is maximum compared to the liquid. So more than the liquid, the solid has got weight, and more than the gas, the liquid has got the weight. Clear? This was the investigation all about. That means solids have maximum weight, or you can say solids and liquid have weight and also have a mass. So weight and mass both are introduced, the terms here. I hope you have got the things. Now it's time to write, and this thing what I am writing, you'll write in the copy also. So you'll write this thing. I'm rubbing this portion. Now I will write what you have to write in the copy. First thing is mass. What is mass? You will write this in the copy. Amount of matter contained in a body. Then weight, because I don't want to get the excuse that I don't know this thing. Amount of matter, then weight is the force with which a body is attracted towards earth. Okay, weight is denoted by W, mass is denoted by small m. So W is what? M into G. Whereas G is what? G is acceleration. Due to gravity. Then one more thing is introduced here, which is called as spring balance. What is spring balance? An instrument used to measure weight of a body. So these are things you will write. You will write this W is equal to mg also you will write. G is acceleration due to gravity. Okay. So acceleration due to gravity is what? Obviously it is that rate of change of velocity. Okay. So right now for the purpose you can understand, only if you don't want to know the formula still you write it, but this is the force with which a body is attracted towards earth. This thing you must understand. Okay. And I hope you will learn also these things, these definitions. Whenever I ask you, these things must be there in the copy and including the exercise questions that I will be giving. But right now only investigation 1.1 we have done, and children, there are investigation 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, all these things are there. Okay. So lot of things are there in this question, in this chapter. So we'll be concluding all those and completing all those things. Right now you all must write this mass, weight and spring balance. About this you will write in the copy, class or copy, and then you will complete it. Okay, in the next lecture we will start investigation 1.2. Now what is the investigation 1.2 about? Investigation 1.2 is about that showing. See, in this one we had shown that the empty beaker is having less weight as compared to the beaker with the milk, and that is the, so that is what we can feel like, oh, looks like gases don't have weight. Obviously when we comparing it to the liquids or solids, the gases have negligible weight, but they do have weight. Okay, so that is the activity that we will be doing. So we conclude that air has weight and has mass. Okay, so air has weight and has mass also. So that only is the investigation 1.2 that will be completing or covering in the next lecture.